Well, hello, I'm Mike Festiva. Welcome back to the Mini Pinzgauer build. This is part 11. Most of my subscribers probably know where we're at. They've watched all the episodes. But if you're new to the channel, we are building a military 6x6 Pinzgauer, maybe half size. So in this video, we're going to get quite a bit done, finish off some stuff on the grill to kind of make it look a little bit more Pinzgauer-ish, because that's what we're making, a little mini scale replica of it. I got a piece of steel for the roof, some 20 gauge. We're going to bead roll that and hopefully finish up the roll bar and maybe possibly get started on the bed. Stick around and enjoy the video. All right, now that we got that other side welded up, I'm gonna weld up this side. Before I do it, I wanna kind of bring you guys along so you understand what I got going here. Got this bar just clamped on here temporarily, got a bunch of magnets holding everything together. This bar is clamped from here to here. These are already fixed and welded solid. They're going along here to keep this upright in the same plane as these. Got another bar clamped on up here to hold this top, make sure everything's level and got the right angle kicking in here. So now we're just gonna go through and finish up welding it. Well, I'm happy about that. Got the passenger door all finished. In the previous video I covered making the driver's door, and I had the framework all set up for the passenger door. I just ran out of 20 gauge sheet metal, so I ordered some more of that, and I bead rolled that today. I'm happy how that turned out. And I'm kind of running short of getting on 20 gauge after I do the roof here, so I think as long as I make these two separate panels, I should have enough metal. The original Pinzgauer had some little clasps, I believe, for the canvas top. It's very simple back here. I'm going to do my own little rendition with a little bead rolling on this thing. Should turn out pretty well. So we're going to get to that next. There you go, got that body panel all finished. That bead roller is a complete game changer. I've never used one prior to this project here, and it's for like a $130 El Cheapo tool. Works pretty well. I will always try to have one around here because it makes body work look so much more professional. Nice tool to have. All right, now that we got most of the uprights all bead rolled for the roll bar, we're gonna move on to the grill right here. And this stuff I salvaged, has got some parts cut off of it already. It's some cooling grating for like a upright computer system that you'd have like rack mounted computers in. It's just some office stuff that I salvaged. So I'm gonna put it right up here. Instead of utilizing the framework, I only need a small portion of this. We're gonna cut out the grating here. And I already have some stuff drawn up in Fusion 360 for the main framework. So we're gonna cut that out next and use the box brake and bend some angles on it. So let's build the grill next. I'm still amazed to be able to manufacture parts like this in my home shop. It's pretty awesome. That CNC is a complete game changer. Now onto this little finger brake so we can bend these up and install that grill. Well, that grill sure turned out nice. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. You mind if I say something? Yeah, go right ahead. Just want to let you guys know, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider clicking the subscribe button right on. All right, so I got the layout just how I want. Got all the lines on here. It's gonna kind of match what's going on the front of the machine on the roof. Just gonna help to give a little more strength to the upper roof panel, keep it from vibrating so much. Got the bead roller on here. This is probably a two-person job, but I'm gonna try to make do with what I can. I'm gonna have to get some assistance down here. This is gonna be super unpleasant trying to do this for all these lines. It's so much nicer having you in here helping. Hi, Sasha. Oh, it's so nice having you in here too. Well, unfortunately, we're gonna have to wrap it up here. I can't get that roof finished in this video. It's getting kind of long. And I got a long work week here ahead of me. I'm trying to get the rest of this video edited for this Friday so you can all enjoy it. If you haven't noticed yet, I try to do one of these bigger build videos every other Friday. That's when I post. So in the next video, we'll get the roof wrapped up and a bunch of other stuff on here. And like we said earlier in the video, if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you'd like. If you still want to see some more cool builds, go back and check out my articulating dump truck. That was a pretty cool series. Or the Predator mini bike, or even the what's on my sweatshirt here, my little quad truck. That's kind of started these little vehicles. So go back through my channel and check out some of those build series. Till next time, take care. Bye.